Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Kansept Gemini here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, this guy is 8.3-inch long with overall, and it has like a 3.2-inch long blade with a 4.7-inch long handle. It is an interesting prototype that Kansept Knives sent just to review. So it's a titanium frame lock with carbon fiber inlay, a couple of lanyard hole loops, nicely sculpted titanium scales, titanium backspacer, almost like full length, titanium 3D milled pocket clip. You've got your S35 VN steel sheep's foot blade with this straight edge, huge finger choil, nice divot here, great ergos actually. Going on this one, you can choke it up like that, and it's gonna be quite comfortable. A little bit of hot spot coming up from that area. The action is nice. I kind of would have liked seeing like a flipper tab, because this cutout is kind of like, see, a little bit on the small side. If you want to do like a thumb flick, yeah, you still can do it, but it's a little bit awkward. The design, of course, it's kind of like a unique one. It has an acquired taste for sure. It's kind of like different for sure. Big swedge. It's like almost straight edge. Big cutout on the blade, and overall it's an interesting looking futuristic knife. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.